Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize the keyboard on Dell 7320 Detachable. To customize the on-screen keyboard, you need to open it, so click on this button. Now you can click on this setting right here, and you can change the keyboard layout to default, small, and the small one is undocked, so you can place it wherever you want on your screen. You can also set it to split, so you can type in with thumbs, or you can set it to traditional, and you can click on size and theme. Then it will get you to settings application, and here you'll be able to, for example, change the theme, and when it's set to any theme that you like, you can see that now it looks like this. Let me undock it. You can also quickly undock it with this button, and you can see that I'm changing this look. You can also add a custom theme, and you can change the background color or background picture. So you can set a picture from your computer, and that's basically how you change it. Click on save, and now it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.